Hello, Moz artists! I'm so glad you're here. I'm Nia, and today I'll be teaching you the basics of acrylic paint pouring. So, grab your canvases and let's begin. Here's a list of what you'll need. Feel free to pause the video so you can prepare. For this acrylic paint pouring project, you'll need 4 to 5 different colors of paint. Your Mozart set includes 21 colors, so you're sure to find your favorites. You'll also need white acrylic pouring paint. This serves as a base for the paint, helping the paint glide smoothly. I'm using one of the canvas from the kit, and the tools I'll be using today are the silicone oil and palette knife. Your new paint set comes with 4 silicone split cups that have been selected by our team of artists, specifically for beginner painters. They found that these cups are easy to work with. By using these reusable cups instead of plastic disposable ones, you'll not only be creating beautiful art, but you'll also be doing the environment a favor. It's a 2-for-1 celebration of creativity and sustainability. Get ready to get creative and a little messy. To make cleanup a breeze, lay the provided tablecloth over your work surface. And if you want to keep those hands pristine, slip on a pair of the provided gloves. Excess paint will flow off the sides of your canvas, and it will collect underneath. It's time to elevate our game and our canvas by placing it on a raised object. Now, let's get pouring. Grab your trusty silicone split cup and fill each section with a different color. I'm going for an ocean oasis, so I'm using some beautiful shades of blue. To add more details to my piece, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 drops of silicone oil to each section of my cup. I'm now going to prepare the canvas by adding white acrylic paint all over it. Use the spatula to spread some of the white paint towards the edges of your canvas for a smoother application. Now that the canvas is ready, let's start pouring the paint from the center of the canvas. Aim the spout towards the center and start a slow and thin stream of paint while moving your hand in a circular motion. This is actually easier to do because we're using a split cup. Because of the cup's design, the paint doesn't drip down the front and flows where you want it to. A great tool for beginners. Because I want it to be more of a shimmering ocean, I'm squeezing in this shiny metallic paint from our set. I'm adding it to the outer area of the paint we just poured so that the metallic paint can be more of an accent color. Now, let's tilt the canvas from side to side and reveal all the shades of blue we poured. Get ready, this is where it gets super messy, but fun. Tilt your canvas and let the paint flow. I'm tilting mine a little more to one side so I can really pull out those rich, dark hues. I think that the flowy shades of blue are naturally soft to look at, so I'm gonna stop tilting now. Now, I'll just smooth out the edges of my canvas and spread the paint a bit to finish things up. Unleash your imagination and discover the endless possibilities with this art project. Remember to experiment and have fun with it. Whether you want to add more layers or mix different colors, you can do it all by pouring and tilting your canvas. Now all we have to do is let this dry. You can seal it with a coat of varnish or resin. But Mozart's acrylic paints are light fast and stay vibrant after drying. I hope this video got you pumped and ready to dive into your Mozart acrylic paint pouring set. Unleash your creativity and let the fun begin. When you're done creating your masterpiece, share it with the world and tag us at Mozart Supplies on Instagram or use the hashtag MozArtists in your post. We can't wait to see what you create.